Let's say if you have a scenario where you bought a brand new computer, you've installed Xamarin and start doing development, like what I have here on the left hand side of the screen. I'm RDPing into this new machine here. I've did all the development and I'm archived it and I'm ready to publish it. I go distribute and I go ad hoc, and obviously there will not be any keystore in here because it's a brand new installation. However, I've been doing development on this base computer, which is on the right hand side here, and I know the keystore is located somewhere in this computer here. Well, where's the somewhere? Let me show you where you can find it. You're gonna press Window E or open your Windows Explorer, go to C drive, and then after that go to users. I've been using this user here. If you have a different user, just enter the username here or select it, and then after that you're gonna manually type AppData like that, because most of the computer they'll have the AppData hidden. Hit enter, and then after that go to local, and then if you scroll all the way down and look for Xamarin folder here, and after that open up Mono for Android, and then you're going to go to keystore here, and you can see all the apps that I've been doing development and publishing on Google Play. The keystores are all available here. Mine's going to be back to school bus tracker here, and you can see that I have the key info and keystore. These are the two key files that you need to copy over to your new computer here. So I'm going to go one directory back, gonna go here, right click and copy, or you can select and press Ctrl C to copy, and then I'm gonna move that file over to my computer here, which is my brand new computer here, and then Ctrl V to paste it here. Now I have those two files on my new machine here. So the next thing I have to do, let me minimize this. Let me copy this first to start off with. Right click, because you need to specify directory here shortly. So what you're gonna have to do on your signing identity pop-up here is go import location, and basically put the directory here, which I've already done it, and then you're gonna select this file called keystore here, and then you're gonna click on open, and the directory will be located here. And you have to remember the password. I think that's the bare minimum you're gonna have to do. So this is my password, and my key password is also same as the password itself. And then the key takeaway from this is that the alias has to be the same as what it used to be previously. Mine used to be back to school bus tracker, CKER, like that. You have to match this. If you don't match this, it's not gonna work. So after that, you're gonna hit on import, and after a few moments you can see that you have your key, and now you can associate your key to your bundle before you can publish it onto your Google Play. If you like these tips and tutorial, please like and subscribe. Other than that, you have a good day. Bye now.